10.
As you know, during this coronavirus pandemic, we're doing things a little bit differently here on Studio 10. We love keeping you informed and up to date about everything that's going on in our community, and we love checking in with our friends. Of course, we love going out to Bellingrath Gardens and home, so we thought we'd see what's happening there during the coronavirus pandemic. This is Tom McGee. Tom, good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
So we wanted to talk to you about the Bellingrath Gardens home. I hear you guys are making some updates during this downtime. What can you tell us about it, Tom?
Well, the old saying, you take lemons and make lemonade, and that's what we're doing. We're getting painting done. We're cleaning floors and stripping them and sealing them. We are washing windows, taking curtains down. We've cleaned out closets, painted them, cleaned out kitchen cabinets and painted them, and getting it all ship-shape and ready for our visitors when we reopen.
Now, I know most of the folks in our area know about the Bellingrath Gardens home, but for those who don't, you are standing in front of it currently. Tell us a little bit of the information about this home.
This house was built in 1935. It has 10,500 square feet, and it is completely furnished with the antiques that the Bellingraths lived with, which is rather unusual. Most historic homes, especially in our area, are filled with antiques that came from other places. But this house is left the way the Bellingraths had it, and our job is to maintain it that way and keep it as Mr. Bellingrath said, a permanent and fitting memorial to Mrs. Bellingrath. And she's the one that had the idea for this house and the gardens.
Oh, what a touching tribute that was. So you said built in 1935, so we're getting close to almost 100 years later. What does it take to maintain it on an average basis? How many times have you done all this work like you guys are about to be doing?
Well, I would say the last time we've been able to do some of these projects is following a hurricane when we've been closed. The nice thing about this time of year is the weather is a lot more cooperative. It's not humid. It's been beautiful. And we've gotten things done that I've never been able to get done in 25 years, like having both the hand railings and the front stairs and the back stairs stripped and refinished beautifully. So we want this house to shine when visitors come back.
And visitors do come from all over the country, all over the world to see the Bellingrath Gardens and the home there. What do you think makes it such a special place? After being there, like you said, for 25 years, what do you think makes this spot so special?
I think the story of the Bellingraths makes it special. And we try to tell that story about the people that lived here, and that's what most of our guests want to hear about. I mean, we have beautiful antiques and silver and crystal to look at, but when they start hearing the stories about Walter and Bessie Bellingrath, his commitment to the gardens, the wealth coming from Coca-Cola, it hits a lot of familiar notes that people are interested in.
And lastly, I know we don't know for sure when the home will reopen, but in terms of the work you're doing, when do you expect that to be complete? How long do you think that process will last?
We aren't too far away from being finished.
Well, that sounds great. So a new, refreshing, keeping the old traditions, just providing some refreshment to it. It sounds like it's going to be fantastic. We love going to Bellingrath Gardens and home. We can't wait to go check it out once again. Tom, thanks for giving us this update. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Hope to see you down here.
All right, sounds good. Talk to you soon. Absolutely hoping to go check out Bellingrath Gardens soon. It's one of those things where, you know, I know everyone's at this point now where they're just waiting for stuff to reopen so they can go and check it out and flood the places that they have known to grow and love. And Bellingrath is one of those places, and really cool that when you do go back, they're going to have an update, some refinishes to the home.
That's going to be so good for them. I'm glad that they're taking advantage of this time with no guests there. I know that we are all just itching to get back there, but Michael, we do know that Bellingrath today is probably stunning with this weather.